Welcome to Boom. I am Devendra. In this video, we will discuss class 9th maths real numbers.
Now you can see here rationalizing factor. First of all, I am giving here one fraction, that is 1 by root 2. First, you know that already root 2 is a rational number or irrational number. Yes, we know that root 2 is a irrational number. See, if it is root 2 value is how much? You know that 1.414 and something. See, we can do division. Is it easier, is it odd? 1 by root 2, is it possible to do division? Just you can think 1 by 1.414, is it very hard to do simplification? So that first you can convert this irrational number to rational number. How can you convert? See, root 2 is a irrational number or not? Yes, by converting root 2 1 by root 2, you can just convert the denominator into rational number. Our main concept is convert the denominator. Here denominator is how much? Root 2. Root 2 into rational number. How can you convert? Just you can see here. We have to multiply. See, 1 by root 2 into. Just you can multiply and divide with root 2 only. See here root 2 by root 2. Very simple. Just you can see here I am multiplying and dividing with root 2 only. If I am multiplying and dividing with same number, the value will not be changes. Yes or no? Yes. So that I am writing here 1 into root 2 is how much? Root 2 only. By root 2 into root 2 how much? You know that 2 or not? Yes. Otherwise you can write square root 2 square. Yes or no? Square root 2 into 2, 2 square or not? You know that square root will be cancelled or not? Yes. So that I am writing here root 2 by 2 only. Root 2 by how much? 2 only. Now you can see denominator. See, denominator now, it is a rational number, irrational number. 2 is a rational number or not? Yes. So that just you can see here 1 by root 2 is equal to root 2 by 2. Root 2 by 2. So that I am taking here, see here. If the product of two irrational numbers is a rational number, if the product of two irrational numbers is a rational number, see, root 2 is a irrational number, root 2 also irrational number. Root 2 into root 2, you are getting rational number or not? Yes, 2 is a rational number or not? So that only, see, if the product of two irrational numbers is a rational number, then each of the two is the rationalizing factor of other. It is a rationalizing factor of the other. See, root 2 is the rationalizing factor of root 2 here. In the similar way, see, the rationalizing factor of a given irrational number is not unique. See, sometimes it will be changes. As per our convenient, we can take which is the simplest one. See, you know that I am taking here irrational numbers in one box, rationalizing factor in another box. What is the irrational numbers factor? See, what is the rationalizing factor of root 3? Can I take root 3 or not? Yes. Root 3 into root 3, will you get 3 or not? Yes. Once again I am asking, what is the rationalizing factor of root 3? One student I taken as root 3 only rationalizing factor. Another student taken as here 2 root 3 also rationalizing factor. Why? Because here root 3 into 2 root 3 you will get 2 into root 3 into root 3 3 only. That means here how much you will get 2 3 just. For example I am saying here 2 root 3 into root 3. How much you will get 2 into root 3 into root 3? 3. That means 2 3 is how much? 6. That means 6 is a rational number or not? Yes. So that's see. Even you can take any number of irrational numbers. See, some student taken root 3 rationalizing factor is root 3 only. Another student taken 2 root 3. Another student taken 10 root 3 also rationalizing factor only. If you want, you can take 100 root 3 also rationalizing factor. But we can see here which is the simplest one. See, root 3 only simplest one or not? So that only they have mentioned here the rationalizing factor of a given irrational number is not unique. See, you have to remember this formula here. A plus root b. What is the rationalizing factor of a plus root b? Just here how much it is? See, which is symbol you have given? Plus. So that you can convert into minus. Just you can write a minus root b. See here, what is the rationalizing factor of a plus root b is a minus root b. In the similar way, see 7 plus root 3. 7 plus 4 root 3 is in the form of a plus root b or not? So can you say what is the rationalizing factor of 7 plus root 4 root 3? just you can convert into minus. 7 minus 4 root 3 is your answer. Very easy. If it is place, you can write it minus. If it is place, you can write it minus. If it is in the minus, you can write here plus only. A plus root b. You can remember here, rationalizing factor of a minus root b is a plus root b. In the similar way, so you can see here 2 minus 4 root 5. What is the rationalizing factor of 2 minus 4y? You can write here 2 plus of 4 root 5. Is it okay? I hope you may understood this one. Very easy, and this kind of bits will come in your objective test. What is the rationalizing factor of 2 plus root 4 root 5? Just you can take minus only. 2 minus 4 root 5. See, what is the rationalizing factor of 3 root 3 plus root 2? Just it is in the plus or not. Just you can convert into minus only. 3 root 3 minus root 2. Next here, 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3. What is the rationalizing factor of 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3? Just you can take plus only. 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. Very easiest one. These are all. You can see here rationalizing factors.
Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in our class 9th Maths playlist videos.